Hi folks, this is a quick video for CBU faculty that are just starting out using Microsoft Teams Meeting as a teleconferencing app instead of WebEx. We're going to show you how to do that. So the first thing I want to do is go into a course that I want to set up a session. Just a word of advice. Come August 2022, WebEx will no longer be a feature here in the Canvas course menu. It will be replaced by Microsoft Teams Meetings. Before we use that app, we want to make sure that the course is set up appropriately. We have to do two things. Number one is go over to In Settings, Integration tab, and switch on Microsoft Sync. The second thing is just making sure that Microsoft Teams Meetings is in the visible portion. It's visible to your students. So if you log into a course and you have crossed out eye icon next to Microsoft Teams, you'll want to come into Navigation, find Microsoft Teams. It'll be down here somewhere. Drag it to the upper portion, the visible portion of the Canvas course menu, and click Save. Once those two things are accomplished, you're ready to schedule your first meeting. So I'm going to go into Microsoft Teams Meetings. And because this is my first session, I'm going to see a blank calendar here. Once we start scheduling meetings in here, they will populate, both for me and for students. The only thing that we can do here is click the New Meeting button in the upper right-hand corner. And here we're going to enter in a title. Click this button, Add Entire Class, which is going to populate the required attendees with every student that's in your class. That's what the Microsoft Sync integration does. Enter in a time, date, and then set my repeating options, which can be set in a number of ways and can be customized. So it can easily handle courses perhaps that you want to meet on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday. We're going to skip this for the time being because we have not rolled that aspect of Microsoft Teams out yet for CBU. If the course is also meeting face-to-face at the same time, you might want to add a location in here, and any files or any agenda can be either spelled out here in this basic content editor or can be attached. So very, very quickly, I am going to add in some of these details. So I've entered in a session name. I've clicked Entire Class. My credentials have come up, but there aren't any students in this course. Otherwise, they would all appear, and I've entered in a date and a time. I've set a repeating occurrence to occur Monday through Friday until a certain date, and if that's not correct, I can come down here and change that. But it's fine, so I'm going to go ahead and let it go. And now I'm going to click the Send button. And we will see then that that series of meetings is now visible. So to join one of those meetings, I would simply navigate to my course, click Microsoft Teams Meetings, and come in and click the Join button. Students are going to see the same thing. So we'll go into Student View, Microsoft Teams Meetings, They won't see an edit button here. They will just see a join button. So it's fairly simple to have these sessions and set these sessions. If we need to edit either the one occurrence, a single occurrence, maybe change a time, we can do so by clicking the edit and then edit occurrence. And if we want to edit perhaps times of the entire series, that we can do that as well. If we need to delete sessions, we can click cancel and we can cancel the occurrence or series. And if we want to add outside participants, we can click copy this link and send them that via email. So I'm going to cancel these now and come back to my blank screen. So that's all for this video. In future videos, we will show you more aspects of Microsoft Teams meetings, both inside and outside of Canvas. Thanks for watching.